Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Jesus Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5. This one is marketed as the ultimate gold trading machine using optimized candlestick patterns, and the claims sound impressive, but I ran a full backtest and the results were brutal. So let's break down this pattern based system. Let's see what it actually does on the XAUUSD. So ensure you watch this video to the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of candlestick patterns and indicators built in. You can download it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, without wasting your time, let's talk about the Jesus Expert Advisor. And according to the MQ5 page, this EA is built on thousands of optimized candlestick patterns, specifically for gold, XAUUSD. And the idea is to scan for high probability bullish setups like hammers, engulfing patterns, the harami formations that have been refined over time. It is positioned as a precision tool that works in both volatile spikes and steadier trends, with an emphasis on disciplined pattern driven entries rather than random trading. Now, this EA was developed by Osama Eskari from Italy. He's quite popular on the MQ5 community with 3.3 stars out of 5 from 14 ratings, and he has about 54 products. This particular EA doesn't have any review, has no comments. It is not quite popular on the MQ5 community, and it was last updated 28 December 2024, and this 2 years later we've not gotten any updates from the developer, and it goes for 125 US dollars. But that aside, the marketing talks about laser sharp accuracy and long-term sustainability on gold. It's designed to be flexible across time frames with a low starting capital requirement, and the focus is on the power of candlestick patterns to cut through market noise and deliver consistent opportunities on XAUUSD. Now, these are the recommendations. The time frame, any time frame, you need just $100 minimum to run this EA successfully, and your leverage should be from 1:20 to 1:500. Account type can be any, broker can be any. There is no much recommendations, like maybe talking about spreads or slippages, nothing like that. And they show some backtest here with some mind-blowing results. We are seeing 5-year backtest taking $1,000 to $30,000 in net profit, looking at 3,000%. And these are the numbers behind such values. We have the initial deposit of 1,000, taking it to $31,000, and the win rate is poor, 37%, and the drawdown is also poor. We are seeing 15%. If you are trading a prop account that requires you to stay below 10%, your account is already probably blown or breached at 15%. And for the equity drawdown, it is 19%. These are high numbers, but depending on your risk appetite, some people, these can be fair numbers, but if you are a prop trader, then you should be careful around these numbers. Now, the win rate of 37% is from 1,360 trades, but it has a good profit factor of 1.98. It also has a good recovery factor of 4.68. Now, these are the numbers of the Jesus AI from the developer's own backtest. These are the only images they show. There are no other screenshots. We have no reviews, no comments, no updates. Now, let's look at the marketed features, the key features of this expert advisor. The key features center around the candlestick pattern engine for entries. We have support for any time frame, a focus on gold's unique price behavior. The developer highlights adaptability to different market conditions and use of refined patterns for precision. there's not much emphasis on complex risk patterns in the marketing, and the strength is supposedly in the pattern recognition itself. Now let's look at my backtest, which I ran on gold on the 1 hour time frame. Now this was on gold from June 2025 to October 2026, and that's over a year's backtest, and we are seeing a net loss of about $9,645. That's the account is almost blown. The profit factor was 0.90. The win rate was 38%, which is in line with the win rate from the developer's backtest. And the max equity drawdown hit a terrifying 99%. The account is basically gone at this point. The equity curve grew for a while. This is it. It was relatively flat in the beginning, then it started growing, and it did grow up to some high levels, but then it completely crashed with long losing streaks, which were very poor. It grew to massive levels. We had it reaching up to 100,000 in net profit, but then we had this dangerous pullback and regression here. So the mechanism behind the EA does work. We are seeing high levels of profit here, but I don't think the recovery factor is up to standard, because this is the end result we have with the equity curve going all the way down to almost blowing the account. Well, that's the strategy that the EA uses. And let's look at the inputs that actually mattered. Inputs that actually mattered here is the minimum lot for every dollars, and the defaults set at 2000. The hammer, the inverted hammer, the white marubu. Remember, this is based on candlestick patterns, so you can choose which candlestick pattern you want it to focus on, you want it to trade based on, and it will do the work for you. Now, compared to the developers numbers that showed solid profits but already high drawdown, this test was much worse. It basically blew up the account. And we also have the buy only buyers, which drove everything here. Yeah, but aside that, this the pure pattern trading without strong risk control is dangerous on gold. Especially in practice, this means it can catch nice moves during good periods but gets completely destroyed by news, trends against it, or chop. No shorts and no obvious tight stops made drawdown catastrophic. Now, my verdict for this EA is that it's a high risk expert advisor, but only candlestick pattern. We have buy only candlestick patterns EA for gold, but it can look good until it doesn't. And when it fails badly, it fails woefully. The profits and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and position size, which is the lot or the risk that the trader is using. Avoid it unless you are an experienced gold trader who plans to add serious risk management and filters yourself. But it's not suitable for most people, most beginners who just entering the market, who can't really set up an expert advisor properly. And that's it on the Jesus expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This is a review on it. Like this video if this real test help you out, and subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. And drop a comment below which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description below. Until next time, safe trading.